What is going on YouTube? It's ZDB Shoes back after a long hiatus. It's been about a full year, I think, since I posted a video. And I just wanted to give you guys basically an update, let you know why I haven't been posting videos, kind of what's going on, and yeah, just generally give you an update about things. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said, I have not posted a video in over a full calendar year, and you guys might be wondering why. And the main reason is because I have not been buying replica sneakers, and I know that's the main reason that you guys come to this channel. I haven't really had a reason to make any content. I've had a less free time recently because I recently bought a house, went through some job changes and stuff like that. Last year at the time when I started the channel, my plan was I was actually in pilot school. My plan was to become a pilot. I decided I didn't want to do that, and I jumped back into the tech field, which is what I did before I took the short hiatus to try and become a pilot, and I went back into the tech field. So back into a day job instead of school, a lot less free time. But like I said, the main reason I haven't been making videos is because I quit buying replicas, and there's two reasons for that. The one main reason is I haven't really had the need to buy any shoes over the past like 8 or 9 months, I guess, because it's been, I'm not going out, I'm not going anywhere and doing anything. Not to come off as trying to look good in front of people or stuff like that. I know that a lot of people buy shoes just because they like them and it's not for anyone else to see. But for me, if I'm just going to be in the house all the time, I'm working from home with my job, there's really no reason to buy new shoes and show them off if I don't have any reason to wear them out. But the other main reason is that because I decided that replica sneakers just weren't for me. I do still love sneakers. I love how they look, and it makes more sense just to buy the real thing. And if you want the real thing, to go ahead and buy it. But with that being said, I really haven't bought any real heaters, as we would call them, recently either. I've kind of become disinterested with buying and wearing shoes. But there is something that I have been doing kind of on the side, as I built up a kind of a stockpile of shoes and streetwear and things like that over the past year and everything. When I was making these videos, is I've been reselling a lot of stuff, and that was the goal from the beginning last year when I started gaining a lot of stock in hyped items, streetwear, sneakers, stuff like that. And I've kind of found my new niche in the sneaker and streetwear field, which is just to buy things that I think are going to rise in value and sell them later. I mean, it's not some new innovative technique. It's as old as time, and everyone does it. But I've found that I enjoy that a lot more than buying, new hot off the presses sneakers and streetwear and showing them off in videos and showing them off in public and stuff like that. I've found that just my day-to-day Ultra Boosts get me by, or Stan Smiths or whatever, and I end up buying, Jordan 1s, things like that, sitting on them for months and months and then reselling them. I can give you guys a few tips on how to do that. I'm sure you guys probably already know how to do most of this stuff, and a lot of it is being lucky. Two of the biggest profits I've made on sneakers come from being super lucky, being able to hit on the Nike sneakers app, sit on some Jordans for a couple months and then flip them for a couple $100 or more a few months later. Now, if you're trying to make a living off of doing this, there's definitely ways that you can get into that, which involve, buying things wholesale, or actually, I'm not sure about that. Don't take my word on buying sneakers wholesale. I'm not sure if you can do that, but buying sneakers in huge quantities, immediately selling them for an immediate profit. If you can, a lot of times you can find guys, I'm a part of a lot of sneaker groups where guys, trade and sell sneakers on the daily. and they go and find people who want to buy them. They have sneaker shops, stuff like that. But for me, it's just kind of a hobby recently. I recently sold some Royal Toes that I was on for a couple months, some Court Purples, stuff like that. So I guess I've been rambling on here, but the main point of this video is basically just that I'm out of the replica game. And I know that a lot of you guys are probably sad to hear that because you like the replica videos that I was making. But I am going to try to start making some more sneaker content as the months go on here. Like I said, I've been on a year hiatus, and I'm kind of trying to recenter and figure out what to actually do in the sneaker market. So I know it probably comes as a surprise that the guy who put out this video about step-by-step process how to sell replica sneakers isn't even buying them anymore. But it just comes down to the fact that I didn't think it was worth it to constantly be buying shoes and spending a lot of money. And if you really want the real best quality thing, the best thing to do is to buy the real thing. And to be honest with you guys, I realized also that, if you buy fake sneakers and you're waiting around for them to come, and then you get them and they're never going to be as good as the real thing. They might be a 1-to-1, as they say in the replica market, but you're always going to know that you're wearing replicas. Anytime I wore a replica sneaker, that was in the back of my mind. There's going to be people who point them out. Big sneakerheads, they're going to know that they're fake, but then there's also in the back of your mind the whole time, you're walking around knowing that that's not the real thing. And when somebody compliments you on those sneakers, it feels different when they're not real. Now, I know a lot of you might have a very different opinion than me on that, and that's totally okay. But I hope you don't unsubscribe, because like I said, I'm going to try to make some more sneaker content in the future. But I just wanted to level set with you guys. If you came to this channel wanting more replica content, it's probably not going to be there. Sorry about that, and I might lose subscribers because of that, but that's fine, because I kind of want to pivot this channel's purpose. I didn't show a lot of attention to it for a while, and a lot of you guys are sticking around, and I thank you for that. And I'm hoping to gain more subscribers and kind of keep myself in the realm of sneakers and streetwear, and hopefully just keep you guys updated on what's going on and give you guys information so you can make decisions about things you want to buy or things that are up and coming. And hopefully I'll cover some other stuff too that kind of touches the streetwear game, like different people that are up and coming in the sneaker market. Like last year really seemed like it was Travis Scott's year, and this year, honestly, I've been out of the loop on a lot of things, but I know there's a lot of crazy Off-White things coming out. Nike's always got some stuff going on, so I'm sure with the upcoming, the NBA offseason, a lot of moves are happening, and I'm sure there's going to be some players that get some new deals and some new shoes that come out with those new deals. So I'll be on the lookout for those. You guys, please continue to watch my videos. If you do so, appreciate them. I appreciate you guys for watching these. I hope that you're not bummed out that I'm not going to be making any more replica content. But if you've been here for the past year, if you were here like towards the start of my channel and you're still here, thank you for that. I hope you stick around, and it seems like you like my content, hopefully, whether or not it's about replica sneakers or real sneakers. Yeah, like I said, another long rant, but yeah, I'm looking forward to the future of kind of the pivot of what this channel is, and seeing you guys stick around, and I'll be looking out for your comments. Let me know if you guys want to see any specific subject matter in the comments, and I will try to comply as best I can. But like I said, try not to make as many replica sneaker videos from here on out, but if there's enough popularity around something, if there's some knowledge that I can share with you about replica sneaker buying, if you have questions on the subreddit or how the process is done, if you've never done it before, you can go watch my other video about the step-by-step process. But if you have any other questions around things like that, I'd be happy to help. I might not know it, and I'll just be completely honest and say, yeah, I don't know. And you'll have to just search the internet or search the Rep Sneakers subreddit a little deeper to find it. Yeah, guys, I appreciate everyone, and yeah, hopefully close out 2020 in a good way. I know it's been a rough year for a lot of people. Yeah, take care, guys.